Despite the best preventive maintenance program, unexpected breakdowns will still occur. Unexpected repairs are often called unscheduled maintenance or corrective maintenance. Typically, these repairs will be costly and must take place as soon as possible to prevent downtime on the production line. Ideally, part of our preventive maintenance program is to anticipate possible breakdowns and have the required repair materials and tools available for just such an event. However, this is not always possible or practical. Therefore, often breakdowns occur for which there is no immediate permanent solution, resulting in the need for temporary repairs. Temporary repairs are repairs made to keep the machines up and running until a more permanent repair can take place. Temporary repairs often equate to more risk to product as they are not the ideal solution. A protocol should be in place for temporary repairs to prevent the temporary solution from resulting in contamination to the product. Often this protocol includes recommended materials and methods to use, as well as materials and methods to avoid, as well as a requirement that a risk assessment is performed for any unanticipated repair scenarios to ensure that contamination risks are identified and prevented. The protocol may even go so far as to require that temporary repair is not undertaken until a long-term solution is planned and scheduled. This is to prevent a temporary repair from turning into a long-term hazard. Temporary repairs should be documented just like any other repair. It is important to record any type of temporary repair and then ensure that a more permanent fix is scheduled for the near future.